When you watch this, you will forget the wonderful works of art created by the hands of a carpenter. Because Beast Rover works with a precision that even human hands cannot reach, turning wood into art. This giant machine, which processes planks in seconds and creates the most complex forms, is unrivaled in terms of speed and precision. The Hamag-Weak Optimat BHX 145 is not just a processing center. It is a speed and precision monster. It completes the work that a carpenter would spend days doing in seconds. This huge machine not only catches the wood, but also opens holes, creates grooves, and shapes the pieces perfectly at high speed. Moreover, it does not make a measurement error or compromise on its speed while doing this. Every movement is calculated to the millimeter. The wood is processed perfectly like a puzzle. Quadco 27SC is not an ordinary tree saw. It is a Rayal forest hunter. This huge power machine fells huge trees like a piece of straw. It completes the cutting process that would take a person hours and seconds and does not make a single mistake. Just think, a huge tree rises in front of you. When Quadco 27SC moves, its powerful blades grasp the tree with a sudden move and make a perfect cut in seconds. There is no deviation in direction while falling, no wood wasted. Everything is calculated to the millimeter. Introducing the Bell 8000 series, a steel titan that is revolutionizing tree transportation. This machine is no ordinary load carrier. It is a conqueror of the forests. Once it grasps giant tree trunks, it lifts them like toys and starts transporting them at incredible speeds. Large trunks, challenging terrain, it makes no difference to the Bell 8000 series. Thanks to its powerful hydraulic arms and huge gripping claw, it lifts even the largest trees in seconds. There may be mud, stones, or sloping roads under the wheels, but this machine does not stop. Do you want speed and efficiency in woodworking? Posh Leibniz completely redefines the woodworking process. This machine, which completes processes that would take minutes and seconds, instantly splits thick logs and allows you to obtain perfect pieces of wood. Thanks to its powerful hydraulic systems, it easily separates even the hardest wood. The gripping, cutting, and splitting process is so flawless that each piece of wood is shaped with millimetric precision. Moreover, it continues to work without interruption without compromising its speed. Is cutting wood laborious? With Petzolato Genius Wedge, this is now history. This hydraulic splitting system, which works with high power, splits even the hardest logs in two in a single move. Its powerful mechanism, which grips the tree tightly, works with the principle of minimum effort and maximum speed while splitting the wood into perfect pieces with its steel wedge system. The size or hardness of a log does not matter. Genius Wedge completes the process with the same precision every time. This machine takes the woodworking industry to the next level. Petzolato TLA 15 ETB 900 combines speed and sharpness by processing logs in one go. Large trunks, difficult structures? It doesn't matter for this giant machine. The system starts working as soon as the trees are taken in with its powerful feeding mechanism. Thanks to the special cutting and peeling units, the wood is processed perfectly and made smooth and problem-free. Moreover, with the error-free working principle, every piece is as perfect as it is. Fumbling with a saw? Very old-fashioned. The Kirpan CS420 combines speed, power, and precision in the wood-cutting process, making perfect cuts. When you watch this machine, you realize how primitive ordinary saws are. The hydraulic blade of the Kirpan CS420 perfectly splits thick trunks in one move. No jamming, no wasted movement. Every piece is cut to millimeter precision and ready for stacking. Forget about ordinary machines in the world of woodworking. Pinosa CPE 1200V01 combines power and precision while processing huge logs in seconds. This machine, which combines the cutting, splitting, and shaping processes in a single system, is a real revolution for those who want to save time. The machine's powerful feeding mechanism activates automatic cutting and splitting systems as soon as the logs are fed in. Each piece of wood comes out perfectly cut and of the same size. Pallex C750. Forget about ordinary tree saws. This giant machine offers a flawless production process by splitting logs in seconds. Cumbersome saws, tiring manual operations are now history. C750 is the greatest helper for those who want speed and power in wood cutting. When this beast activates its automatic feeding system, it quickly pulls the logs in and makes flawless cuts with its blades in a single move. Cutting and processing wood has never been faster or more precise. The Meho Super Mill comes with technology that will make you forget about ordinary saws. It saws logs with incredible precision in a single pass and produces perfect boards. The greatest strength of this machine? Speed and accuracy. Huge trunks are turned into smooth boards in seconds with its sharp and powerful blades. The cutting process is so precise that each piece is produced with millimeter accuracy. If you are looking for speed and durability among tree sawing machines, look no further than the Woodcracker CS750. This machine cuts down huge trees in seconds and completes the job without making any mistakes. No hard trunks, no difficult cutting angles. The CS750 works flawlessly in all conditions. Its strong steel jaws engage the cutting mechanism as soon as it grabs the tree and splits the trunk in two in a single move. Get ready to feel the cutting power. LogCut MCS40 comes with a technology that will make you forget about ordinary saws. Cutting logs with millimetric precision, this machine combines the wood processing process with speed, power, and accuracy. The system's automatic feeding mechanism pulls the log in, and the precision cutting discs are activated as soon as it is pulled in, separating the wood into perfect pieces in one go. No time loss, no faulty cutting. Every piece of wood comes out ready to be stacked. Among the best wood splitters, the West Boondelsage is a speed monster designed for mass production. Thick trunks, irregular branches, or hardwoods. It doesn't matter for this machine. The powerful feeding mechanism immediately takes the wood in and the high-speed sawing system kicks in. Within seconds, dozens of logs are cut to perfect dimensions. No jamming, no loss of time. The era of manual wood splitting is becoming history with Posh Auto Split. This machine speeds up the wood processing process by splitting logs into perfect pieces in seconds. The system's automatic feeding mechanism, as soon as the log is inserted, activates the hydraulic wedge system and splits the wood into equal pieces in one move. No jamming, no wrong cutting. Every log comes out the same size and perfectly shaped.